There are three main reasons for using the word there. Use there to show existence. There is food in the refrigerator. Use there for location. If someone asks you where something is, you can say, it's over there. It's there. There it is. And in spoken English, when giving something to someone, use there. There you go. There you are. There. Here are more examples of how to use the word there. There is a newspaper on the table. When forming the sentence, here's the subject, this is the verb, but this is also related to the subject. So when I begin the sentence with there, I'm already thinking about this, one newspaper. That's why you choose the verb be in the singular. In this case, there is similar to it, but there is a better choice because you're showing that it exists. Is there a newspaper here? The question begins with the verb be. When thinking about how to begin the question, think about what comes after the word there. This is similar to it. That's why you choose is. To ask about the existence of something, do it like this. Is there a newspaper here? There are 5 people in the room. This is plural, and it matches this word, and the verb is also plural. There would be similar to they, but in showing the existence of something, in this case people, use there, don't use they. There are 5 people in the room. Are there any people in the room? When making the question, here's the verb be, and then there. This is technically the subject that matches there. When making the question, use are to match the subject. This is plural. It could be replaced by they, but in speaking or writing you wouldn't use this. You'd use there. Are there any people in the room? If someone asks you a question about the location of something, here's the question, where is it? Your answer could be, it's there. Or, it's over there. Or, it's right there. Or, there. Or, you could say, there it is. If using over there, that's a distant location. It might be far away. If you use it's right there, this could be close. It's right there. When the question has a plural subject, where are they? You can respond by saying, they're there. This is a contraction for they are, and then here's the word there. If this feels uncomfortable, then put something between these two words. If it's a distant location, use over. They're over there. Or if it's close, use the word right. They're right there. Or simply say there. Or there, they are. There they are. This last example might not be easy to use, but you will hear it in spoken English. When giving something to someone, you can say, there you go, or there you are, or just say there. What's on the couch? What's on the counter in the kitchen? Are there a lot of people in the bar? Where is the lake? Where are the carrots?